Hi friends, this is Salujang here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I am going to discuss about how we can configure a Telnet to Cisco ASA firewall from a Cisco switch. So for that I connected a Cisco switch to the inside interface of a Cisco ASA firewall. So first let us configure this interface. So both are connected by gigabit 0 by 0 interface. So let us configure this interface, and this interface will be configured as a inside interface. So by default it is a most trusted one. So after that, I will be enabling Telnet on Cisco ASA firewall. Then let us check the Telnet connectivity from the Cisco switch to the ASA firewall. So these are things I am going to do. So let us configure the directly connected interfaces. Okay, I'm going to Cisco ASA firewall. Go to the configuration mode. Interface gigabit 0 by 0, and the IP address is 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0, and let us name this inside interface, right? So it will be assigned a security level of 100, and let us do a no shut. Okay, so now let us go to Cisco switch and let us configure this IP 1.2. Okay, the same interface. So let us go to Cisco switch and let us configure. So go to the configuration mode. Interface gigabit 0 by 0. IP address is 192.168.1.2, 255.255.255.0, and let us do a no shut. So now let us do a ping from this particular interface to this particular IP. Okay, switch to this particular IP. Then let us enable the Telnet on Cisco ASA firewall. So Cisco ASA firewall IP is 1.1. So let us check I'm able to ping. So I'm able to ping the ASA firewall. Now let us enable the Telnet. So prior to the Telnet, I have to configure the username and the password for the Cisco ASA firewall. So let us go to the ASA, go to the configuration mode. Let us assign a host name. Let us name it as ASA1. Okay. So now let us configure the username. So username Cisco, password, let us give it as Cisco, and the privilege level, let us define as 15. Now let us enable the telnet command, AAA. So this we have to enable, AAA authentication. Okay, so the command is telnet console, it should be local. So this we have to enable, and I am going to enable another command called, so before that I am going to enable the command telnet to this particular IP. Okay, or I can give telnet 0.0.0 0.0.0, and I can specify the interface as inside interface, or I can give the specific subnet. So I'm going to give the specific IP address 192.168.1.2. so that IP is nothing but this IP, and followed by the subnet mask 255.255.255.255, and the interface is an inside interface. Okay, so now let us write the configuration. So what are things I have done is, first I have created the username. Okay, so then what we have done, we have enabled the telnet access. Okay, this is the username I have created, so this will be in a encrypted mode. Okay, so then we have created the AAA authentication, this command, AAA authentication telnet console local. So these are the commands mandatory for enabling the telnet on the Cisco ASA firewall. So now let us perform a telnet from the Cisco switch to this firewall. So it will directly prompt for the username and the password. Let us go to Cisco switch and let us do a telnet. So telnet 192.168.1.1. Okay, so now it is directly prompting for the username and password. So now let us define the username. Okay, so okay, it is now do enable. So now I'm into Cisco ASA firewall. So this is the way we can configure the telnet access in Cisco ASA firewall, and now we know how we can telnet from the Cisco switch to this ASA firewall. So what are the things I have done is, first I have defined the directly connected interfaces, then we have configured the username and password. So then I have enabled the AAA authentication telnet command. Then the fourth thing I have done a telnet access. So I have just defined telnet and this particular IP, then inside command, right? So these are things we can configure for the telnet access to the Cisco ASA firewall from the Cisco switch. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you.